Hey guys, Miss Muffin here. Today we're gonna play with Hello Kitty Emergency Helicopter. Here we have the Hello Kitty copter. And this opens to let Hello Kitty sit inside. Has a cute pink bow right here. This spins. And there's another bow that also spins. And then back here, these spin as well. And we have the bed, the doctor's bed where the patients go. We have this bear. Oh, he's very, very sick. He needs to be rescued. Put him in here. And we have the helicopter pad. This is where the helicopter will land. Hello Kitty doctor. She's also gonna fly the helicopter. And then here we have the hook that will carry the bed. Let's hook it on right now. Oh no, I'm sick. So we hook this on. Rest it right there. And Hello Kitty doctor says, "Meow, I'll rescue you." She hops into her Hello Kitty copter. She's on the case. I see you down there. Meow. And I'll rescue you. Uh-oh. She needs a bit of rescuing herself. There we go. Perfect. I'm coming. Meow. And she hooks the sick patient onto the helicopter like that. Time to go. Meow. See the helicopter pad landing. Unhooks. She gets out to go see her patient. Hello Kitty doctor here. Meow. I'm here to help. She gives her patient some medicine. Glug, 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 glug. And he starts to feel a little bit better. Meow. Okay guys, I gotta see to my patient. I'll see you later. Meow.